Right now, Justin's just getting chased by my cat, Seal. Oh my god. Oh. Hey, Justin, you okay back there? You okay back there? He's probably okay. Anyway, let's focus on this chocolate muffin. And let's focus on this milk. Who's gonna win? Seal or Justin? Go get Justin! Seal, go get Justin. Oh my god! You're such a sissy.
Thank you.
Go get him, Seal! Go get him! Seal, go get him! Subscribe and like to this video if you guys liked it. If you guys like Justin freaking out, we can do more videos like that. We can do more videos like that. We can do more videos like that, and we could prank him. It seems like Justin escaped Seal. Wait, what?
Is there a shit ton of getting cigars in a bowl outside?
That's my mom's. She be smoking a lot.
That's right. Son.
Seal, go get him. You're a dick.
Captain America,
You're a dick. You scare away Seal. And
He
Seal's,
hurts.
and Seal's cute. Look, I mean, you scared him. Look at him. Aww.
One more chance.
Give a like if you guys want Justin to be chased.
Again, I swear, homicide with a fish. Seal. Do that one more time. Homicide with a fish.
Okay, give a like and a subscription if you want Justin to get chased by something really big and get punched by me, the owner of the cat. Anyway, hope you guys leave a like and a subscription below. Goodbye.